Hello everyone, in this bulletin of positive news stories, we will share with you stories of willpower, kindness and inspiration. So let's get started with the top positive news stories that can bring smile and joy on your face amid these difficult times. Let me tell you a story of a man in Bengaluru and how he set up COVID-19 care center after recovering from the infection. A 49-year-old man, Sanjay Garag, who was denied admission by 5 Bengaluru hospitals, has set up a COVID-19 care center after recovering from the infection. He tested COVID-19 positive on June 28 and had to face a tough time in getting treatment for the disease. Sanjay told media that he was denied admission to a hospital after he tested positive due to lack of beds. He said that he had to use his friend's influence to get treatment. And now, after recovering, he coordinated with the members of Agrawal Samaj to set up a 42-bed care center for patients infected with coronavirus. He wanted to ensure that no patient is denied admission for treatment. He said that he got in touch with his fellow associates at Agrawal Samaj during quarantine period and decided to convert the Meenakshi Meadows at Jigani Hobli as a Agra Seva COVID care center. He got in touch with the health department and a private hospital which agreed to provide 2 doctors and 4 nurses for the center. The center is equipped with all facilities including food, beds, hot water, indoor games, Wi-Fi and medicines for patients. He said that his team wanted to make it free for anyone to use, but the officials have advised them to charge a minimum from the patients for better working of the institute. Now let me share with you a story of how Good Samaritans are helping road accident victims in getting rupees 2000 as reward in Meerut. The Meerut administration has recently decided to give rupees 2000 cash reward to those who extend helping hand to road accident victims and take them to hospital. Such a scheme is already available in other parts and Delhi too. Additional District Magistrate Ram Chandra said that it has been decided to ensure that rumble strips are set up at black spots which are accident prone areas. Additional Regional Transport Officer Dinesh Chandra said that to encourage people to help accident victims, 2000 cash reward will be given. He also said that special boards will be set up at government hospitals and police stations. He said no questions will be asked from those who bring accident victims to hospitals. This is a story of someone who wanted to join Indian Air Force but could not due to his eyesight. But his vision is still very inspiring. The 22-year-old Assam youth and 3D artist Saurabh Chaudhary has finally fulfilled his dreams. He designed 2 patches on G-suits of IAF pilots on Rafale fighter aircraft. Saurabh had tirelessly worked to finalize the beautiful patches. He said that he was very happy and proud to have designed the patches for the first Rafale unit coming to India. Saurabh said that it was a big challenge to design the patches for the pilots of the Rafale jets because he had to highlight old sanity of the number 17 squadron and many other details with perfection. Saurabh is an aviation buff and has been so passionate towards air warriors. His aim was to make fighter aircraft models, but he could not do so due to non-technical background and his health issues. But Saurabh did not lose hope and wanted to contribute something very big and remarkable to the Indian Air Force. That's all for the positive news in this bulletin. We'll be back with a lot more good news very soon.